Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mair and I'm born hungry, same as you. Today we are making the healthiest chicken breast recipe. It's a green chicken breast recipe. So first of all, this is whole chicken breast. As you guys can see, it's already boneless. So first thing first, what we will do guys, we will just make cubes out of our chicken. Cut it vertically for now. If you are fat conscious or you really don't want the fat on your chicken, so just peel this off your chicken breast. You guys can see there's a slimy fat. We don't need that in our food. Not too big. If you're asking about the measurement, it's around 1 inch. A fingertip, usually fingertip is 1 inch. So this is 1 inch vertical cut. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stripes or strips of our chicken. Now very easy job. Biteable size cubes of chicken. Once you cut the chicken, put it in a bowl. So this is a green recipe. Green means I'm gonna be using almost all of the ingredients green. These are all our chicken cubes. Get a blender, spring onions or green onions. Cut the bottom part. We don't need that. And just rough cut them all the way, you know. Just leave a little bit. The top part, you don't need that. Just tiny bit. You get all clean stuff. Add into your blender. It's all green onion. You can use olive oil. I'm using vegetable oil. It doesn't matter. If you are really health conscious, you can use olive oil in there. So I'm adding at least 8 to 10 spoons of vegetable oil in here. Here I have fresh cloves of garlic. You guys see, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fresh garlic. We'll add all in here. This is the curry leaf, fresh curry leaf. Add at least 1 or 2 of it right here. This is ginger cube. Green chili, if you don't like it spicy, if you don't want to eat spicy, skip that, but for this recipe do add this. It tastes yummy. Okay, at least 5 or 6 of them we are putting all in here. First of all, we will blend this. Okay, alright, this is the first blend. Now we will take some mint, fresh mint, usually the leaves, not the whole stems. Okay, so try to get mostly the leaves. If the stems are too thick, just take it out. 1 whole handful of mint, 2 handful of it. For the next recipe I'll get a scale so I can give you the whole measurement of the recipe, but for now, old school way, use handfuls. So 2 handfuls of fresh mint goes in here. We have cilantro, a handful of cilantro. Again, not the stem, just a handful. It goes all in here. And now blend it again. Alright, so the blending is done. This is our chicken breast. Take some natural yogurt, 1 and 2 spoons of yogurt in here. 1 whole tablespoon of salt. That's enough. And 1 whole tablespoon of black pepper right here. Take the chicken meat and just take out all the salt from the spoon and the pepper. Even at the bottom, it has the yogurt, it has the salt, and it has the pepper. Alright, here's our green smoothie, green recipe smoothie. You guys can see, oh, almost there. Alright, green smoothie. Put it all right on top of it. Just mix this roughly. Cook this recipe in your apartment. So we will pan fry this. Check the salt. I think it's enough. Yeah. Oh, it has a fresh kick to it. Let it settle at least for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes we will be frying this. It has the oil, it has all the ingredients. We just need to fry this at least for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll see you then. It's been 15 minutes. This is our green chicken breast marinated. Come here. This is the time we're gonna cook this. Just drop the whole mixture right here in your pan. Right here, we'll grab a spoon and we'll add all our remaining right here, right on top of it. Stir fry this for 10 minutes. So all our raw vegetables, what we put in here, they get cooked. There is one more secret ingredient and I will show you guys right now what to add. I'm just waiting for initial 10 minutes for the stir fry. This is on a high flame, so we'll be keep moving our spoon in our pan. In 10 minutes of stir frying this chicken. It's actually a lot of stir frying. You guys see at the bottom. Put the flame onto a low medium heat. Take a brown sugar. This is all brown sugar. 1.5 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add all in here. All medium heat. It's all okay. You see at the bottom, it's clearing up. So it's all okay. Just keep stir frying it another 5 minutes after adding the brown sugar. You guys see our seasoning and all the colors has been turned into a little brownish color. It's all fine, it's all okay. Cover it with the lid on top and we will cook it now again at least for 10 minutes. Guys, this is after 15 minutes. So all the juices are being dissolved by our meat. Fresh, healthy green chicken recipe. You know, the best way to check it after 25 minutes, just press one chicken piece and this is what you're gonna, oh, it's too hot, I can't even touch it. So this is how you're gonna see. I boiled some white rice right here, so let's dish out some basmati white rice right here. I need at least 2 scoops of white rice right here. And here you go, our green chicken breast recipe. I'll just put at least 2 or 3 spoons right on top of it. This is the 3rd spoon of the chicken breast on the basmati white rice. Even it's for me, I'm gonna just dress it nicely. It looks appetizing, you know. So here it is, guys. Enjoy this beautiful the green chicken breast recipe. It's all roasted. Do try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and I'll see you very soon on the next one. This is actually the best recipe of chicken breast meat, healthy, you can make at your home. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. So this is the moment of truth, guys. Let's taste our chicken. So it's actually a small piece of chicken, basmati rice. So this is a chicken, I cut it. This is a chicken whole cooked. The best recipe of the green chicken breast is right here, guys. Definitely do try this recipe at home and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now and bye bye. The cameraman is eating even the remaining seasoning.